Unit 7, page 62. Exercise 1. Look, listen and repeat.
Where's the boy? He's in the living room. Where's the girl? She's in the bathroom.
Unit 7, page 63. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, garden.
Unit 7, page 63. Exercise 2. Look, listen and say. 1.
Where's the boy? He's in the bedroom.
2.
Where's the boy? He's in the bathroom.
3.
Where's the girl? She's in the living room.
4.
Where's the father? He's in the kitchen.
5.
Where's the mother? She's in the kitchen.
6.
Where's the grandfather? He's in the garden.
Unit 7, page 64. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Apple, apple, star, star.
Unit 7, page 66. Exercise 1. Listen, point and say.
Star, square, triangle, circle, rectangle.